You guys think he's gonna turn off? I'm pretty sure it is. Told you. Guys, we made it to the 85 station. It's like my third time filling up in the last like 3 days. We are headed to the gym, and I thought why not bring you guys along with me on the drive there. Give you guys a little POV drive with the new tune. Make some noises, probably do a couple pulls, and yeah. I haven't really done pulls since right after the dyno, the one that you guys seen in the last video, so I'm a little excited to see how this thing feels. All right, guys, to get this show on the road. All right, guys, let's hit the road. So, a little funny story. I haven't pumped E85 at this station that's close to my house in months, because the one time I came to pump here, I lost my bumper right there on the exit. My car isn't even slammed. The driveway is just, I mean, the little driveway thing is just super uneven. So I even went sideways and everything, and it just took my whole bumper. So I'm definitely not going that way. So I'm gonna make the little extra turn or whatever. Go over here. Damn, sick ass fool. You on here, bro? Clean Z, bro. Got my boy Chris in the buggy right here. If you know, you know. Guys, you have no idea how happy I am now that it's tuned. I can do pulls. If somebody pulls up requesting smoke, I could definitely take them to Applebee's now. Life's good, bro. It's crazy how happy a car can make you. If you're feeling sad, you definitely don't need a therapist. Just get yourself a race car. Solves all your problems. Funny, I haven't been on this street in like 2 to 3 years. Ooh, nice. There's one of them right there. Because there was a time that cops were super hot in this city, like with modified cars. I think they kind of chilled out a little bit, so at least I hope they did. So we're back. Yeah, this side of town I would just stay out of for like literally like the past 2 or 3 years, ever since like COVID time. My clutch is kind of feeling a little weird. By a Z06. Guys think he wants to smoke? Yeah, there's way too much traffic. There's no way I can do a pull right here. So then like, yeah, there's no space. wait to see how this thing feels once it's fully dialed in. Clutch feels a little weird. Let me find that I fried this shit already. There's no more space. I was gonna try to redeem myself, but yeah, the clutch feels a little weird. When I first started driving it, it's almost as if I gotta like force the gears in. Oh well. Time to get a new clutch. It's not like I needed one anyways. Man, I love this car so much. God, she was moving. Damn, that one felt really strong. That last one felt really strong. It's funny, the first one wasn't that strong. The second one was pretty strong, and this one felt stronger than the other one. What the fuck? Yeah, this thing is definitely moving though. Let me find out that was a Z06 from the freeway. You got saved from the gap, sir. Alright guys, a couple hours later from the last clip you guys just saw. I'm at the gym now. I was just enjoying this little freeway drive home. The car drives so freaking smooth, bro. Like, if I'm not on it or if I'm not like being loud, it feels almost like if it's stock. I mean, obviously it doesn't sound like it's stock, but it drives really good. Like, for being a built car, it feels really good. So shout out to my tutor and my builder, which is the same person, for that, bro. I can still daily drive this car if I really wanted to. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean by it drives really smooth. I'm gonna try to drive it like if it's a normal car, just so you guys could like kind of see where I'm coming from. See what I mean? It drives so freaking smooth. It literally feels like when I first got it. Then you do this, and you remember it's not stock. I'm gonna do one more small little pull.